evening, a Tri-State high school student is in jail facing several charges after a threat was posted on a popular cell phone app.
That image would make most parents very concerned. Take a look at it for yourself. It's a photo of someone holding a gun along with a threatening message there. It says, "Do not come to school tomorrow." Tomorrow misspelled there, of course. Class was in session, though, today at Northwest High School.
9 on your side's TJ Parker is there with reaction from the school and parents. TJ.
And Tanya, there was increased security today here at Northwest High School as well as at Colerain High School after that threat was made. And although police made an arrest, some parents decided not to let their kids go to school today.
I'm used to Facebook, but I'm not used to Snapchat.
This picture posted on the popular app Snapchat was quickly shared among parents of students at Northwest High School. The picture shows a gun with the caption, "Do not come to school tomorrow."
If you feel comfortable with doing stuff like that on Snapchat, then I'm not going to put it past you that you feel comfortable in walking in school with a gun.
Lena Yamini's daughter is a student here. Although she believes the school did everything right in letting parents know about the threat, she says the post was enough to keep her daughter out of school.
I felt like they did precautious as far as with the kids and having security up there, right? But it's just me as a parent. I'm just on my security level where until I feel that it's safe for my child to go back there, and I will send her back.
Laura Chandra Crawford's niece is a student at Northwest High School. She too was concerned about the picture.
Of course, it's disturbing, not just to her mother, but to her mother, grandmother, and everybody else.
Colerain Township police arrested the juvenile. They found the weapon, which turned out to be a BB gun, in a wooded area behind the student's home. Principal Susan Smith sent a message to parents, in part saying, "Please know that administration will always make decisions that are in the best interest of our students and our staff members. And there is no current threat to anyone in the Northwest community."
Okay, well, here's the picture right here.
Lena trusts the school's decisions and says this threat is an opportunity to talk to your kids about what's going on in their lives.
You never know with kids. You just got to sit them down and talk to them.
Right now, that student suspect is in juvenile lockup. He's expected to be in court tomorrow morning, and he faces charges of making terroristic threats and tampering with evidence. Reporting live, I'm TJ Parker, 9 on your side.